Welcome, car enthusiasts. Buckle up because we're about to take a ride through the legendary world of the 1967 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat. This beauty isn't just any muscle car, it's a masterpiece of performance and style that makes other cars look like they're still figuring out how to start their engines. Let's dive into what makes this car the king of the streets. First, the exterior. Oh boy, where do we start? The deep blue paint job shines brighter than your future. Seriously, it practically glows under the showroom lights. The car's muscular stance is immediately noticeable, from the aggressive front grille to the sculpted wide fenders. Those chrome bumpers? They're polished to perfection and add a touch of elegance to this beast, making it as much a piece of art as it is a road warrior. And don't even get me started on the dual exhaust tips. They look like they're ready to scream power at any moment. Talk about classic muscle. Now, let's talk about the interior, because this car isn't just about looking good, it's built for comfort and thrill. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've just entered the cockpit of a fighter jet. The leather bucket seats hug you like your favorite blanket on a cold day, keeping you comfy while the engine roars to life. The wood grain dashboard? It's a nod to the past, bringing a touch of vintage luxury to this muscle car's performance-driven soul. And with the Hurst shifter right in the center, you'll be shifting gears like a pro. Just make sure you're prepared for the power that comes with it. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. The 400 cubic inch V8 engine is a true powerhouse, delivering a heart-pounding 360-plus horsepower. That's right, this car doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Whether you're cruising down the highway or zooming past that slowpoke in the left lane, the GTO Royal Bobcat makes sure you feel every bit of the adrenaline. With a 4-speed manual transmission, you're in full control of this beast, ready to unleash all that power at your command. And don't forget the muscle car growl. It's like the engine is begging for you to hit the gas and show the world what it's made of. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to keep up with more classic muscle cars like the 1967 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat. Drop your thoughts in the comments.